Hi guys, this is Shaktivel from Coimbatore and I want to review about my recent purchase for my Volkswagen Vento car 2019 diesel comfort line model. It has a pre-installed button set, but I wanted to replace with a pure Android music player. So after researching for 1.5 months, I chose this and I'm happy with the purchase. The reason I chose this is the specifications. It comes with 4GB DDR4 RAM. I can see here. Okay, 4GB Intel, 4GB RAM, and interlock octa-core processor. And it's a pure Android music player, so I can customize as much as I can. And I have installed as many as apps I like. And the Chrome, the Google is there, Google Maps is there, Playstore is there, so you can install whatever apps you are using. And I have a VLC media player, YouTube. So when you have VLC media player, irrespective of the format, you can play every videos on YouTube. When you are not driving, you can enjoy videos. WhatsApp is there. What's more you need? And this is all I require actually. So it has Bluetooth connectivity for calls. You can connect Wi-Fi. So using your mobile hotspot, you can enjoy everything. And one is inbuilt music player. This is also very good, but I prefer Amazon Music and Wink Music apps. So you could see the performance. Right now I didn't connect with the internet, so I'm playing the downloaded songs. As I said, there are, and this is navigation. My favorite Google Maps. I'm not used with any other maps. This is one of the reasons I always wanted an Android audio player. So this is it.
Head east toward Nava India Road, then turn left onto Nava India Road.
Yet to remove the screen guard. I'm about to replace it with the screen protection. That's why I didn't remove that. I have been using this for the last 1 week, and I prefer the USB drives to come there because I'm not using Android CarPlay more often. If you're using Android CarPlay frequently, you can bring your USB connections here. It's up to you during installations. My comfort line doesn't offer steering mounted controls, so it doesn't provide the canvas options. If your model is higher end, you can get them as well. There is an external mic, so you can get a clear call quality. It gives you the voice assist control also. And watching videos on YouTube. It's a plus. You can see the touch quality. It responds very well. And if I remove this cover, I can get a more sensitive touch quality. So if your hotspot is, and this is radio, FM is working. I could see the significant improvement with my inbuilt speakers of my car. Actually, I like this launcher because it provides a lot of options. So you can set the speed of your vehicle. It's in the home screen, or the time, the music player, the compass, or the navigation, or the logo itself. The only issue, a minor issue I faced while installing was this frame stops these two functions a little, so I had to rub it in the bottom of the frame. So now it's working perfectly, nothing else, and it fits perfectly. There was no wire cut, I assure that, because I was there throughout my installation. And I have installed the reverse camera also, it supports well. And I assure you guys, there are a lot of settings. I'm not a techie here, so if you are familiar with your Android and other technical features, you can extract more from this. So if you wish, you can buy. I'm really happy with this performance.